Yeah po, Mayor.
First of all, I want to thank you for your time. I know you are very busy people and lahat ng oras gather here and let's cooperate and think about what we have to do to reclaim this country and give it back to the people.
Yes.
So fundamentally, I joined PDP Laban because my father is here, the PDP, and though he is in The Hague right now, he is still a member of PDP.
Yes.
Yeah, still the chair of PDP Laban. While he is not here as acting president, I feel that it's my responsibility to organize all of us and decide among all of us, we should agree on things, on what direction we have to take until the 2028 elections. So, what is the concern? It is the country and its people. So I believe, kayo lahat na nandito ngayon, and those who follow and believed in my father, kaya nandito pa rin kayo because you still believe that we can make a better country and a better tomorrow. Not only for us. Ako may mga anak ako, kayo may mga anak kayo, may mga apo kayo. So what do we want for our children? Kasi sa nangyayari ngayon, pag nagpatuloy ito, could you imagine kung anong klaseng bansa our children will grow up? Eh tayo, sanay tayo sa hirap because, but we want more, we want to make our children have a comfortable life, have a peaceful country, free of corruption, that's the main thing, free of crime, and good governance. It doesn't have to be perfect. Wala naman talagang perfecto sa dito. But policies in government, the direction of a government should benefit the majority of the people. And what is happening now? Saan yung pera ng bansa natin? Even the President himself, si BBM, last year, I remember correctly, August, nagpalabas siya ng mga contractor puno that who were misusing the funds of the government. Ano nangyari ngayon? Pumutok sa mukha niya. And true enough, may issue talaga tayo sa pera. Hindi na pupunta. We have ghost projects. We do not have infrastructure. And how can people, especially the ordinary Filipino, yung mga mahihirap, how can they move about and help themselves if the government does not properly use government funds to improve the lives of these people?